Open concept house plans are a popular and modern architectural design that emphasizes open, spacious, and interconnected living areas. They are characterized by the removal of traditional interior walls, creating a more fluid and integrated space. Here's a description of open concept house plans. Removal of interior walls. In open concept house plans, interior walls are minimized or eliminated to create a larger, continuous space. This eliminates barriers between rooms, making the home feel more open and airy. Seamless flow. The open layout allows for a seamless flow between different areas of the home, typically including the kitchen, dining area, and living room. It encourages interaction and connectivity among family members and guests. Natural light. Open concept designs often feature large windows and multiple sources of natural light. This not only brightens the space but also provides a sense of openness and a connection to the outdoors. Flexibility. The absence of walls allows for flexible use of space. You can easily configure the layout to suit your needs, whether it's for daily living, entertaining, or rearranging furniture to create different zones. Social hub. The kitchen in open concept plans often serves as the social hub of the home. With an open layout, it's easier for the cook to interact with family and guests while preparing meals. Dining space. The dining area is usually positioned adjacent to the kitchen, providing a convenient and informal space for family meals. It's also well suited for more formal dining when needed. Living area. The living room is integrated into the open layout, creating a more inclusive and inviting atmosphere. It's often centered around a fireplace or entertainment area. High ceilings. Open concept homes often have higher ceilings to enhance the feeling of space and airiness. Cathedral or vaulted ceilings are common in these designs. Zoning with furniture. Instead of walls, furniture, area rugs, or lighting can be used to define separate areas within the open space. For example, a sofa and a coffee table can delineate the living room area. Modern aesthetics. Open concept plans are often associated with a modern and minimalist design aesthetic. Clean lines, neutral colors, and simple furnishings are typical elements. Connection to the outdoors. Large sliding doors or windows that open to patios, decks, or outdoor living areas further enhance the connection between the indoor and outdoor spaces.